Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Mars 4 Ultra versus Mars 5 Ultra. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. First talk about LCD screen. Mars 4 provided 9K monochrome LCD screen and Mars 5 also provide 9K monochrome LCD, so both are equal. Now let's look at the resolution. Mars 4 provided 8520 into 4320 pixels resolution and this is also provided by Mars 5, so both are equal. Now let's look at the XY resolution. Mars 4 provided 18 resolution and it is also provided by Mars 5, so both are equal. Now let's look at the build volume. Mars 4 provided 218.88 mm L into 122.88 mm W into 220 mm H build volume, and Mars 5 provided 153 mm L into 77 mm W into 165 mm H. So Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the print speed. Mars 5 provided the print speed of up to 150 mm/h and it is also provided by Mars 5, so both are equal. Now let's look at the light source. Mars 4 provided parallel light source and it is also provided by Mars 5, so both are equal. Now let's look at the special features. Mars 4 provided AI camera for real-time monitoring, resin wet sensor, temperature sensor, and Mars 5 provided AI camera, racing wet sensor, temperature sensor, Wi-Fi tilt release. So Mars 5 is better. Now let's look at the price. The price of Mars 5 is approximately $189.99 and the estimate price of Mars 5 is approximately $269.99. So Mars 4 is better for budget-friendly users. And in the last, let's look at the overall versatility. Mars 4 is suitable for large and budget-friendly users, and Mars 5 is for advanced features for convenience and faster printing. So it depends upon the user preference. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.